this is the way you do the purl stitch. So we're going to pick up, and the yarn is always in the front. Pick up the front of that first stitch from back to front, and then with your yarn you go from back to front and pass that stitch through the middle of that loop. Now you can take it off your needle. Again, your yarn is in the front. Pick up the front of the loop from back to front. Yarn over from back to front. Take that yarn through the middle of the loop toward the back and take off. Back to front, the yarn is in the front, so go from back to front, yarn over, pass it through the loop to the back, back to front, yarn over, through the loop, take it to the back. And see, this is the way it looks if you purl every row. So it's, it's the same as if you knit every row. So it's, like garter stitch. It's on both sides the same thing.